Okay, USGT C main. I am CQ with my TA07 Pro. It's running well. I actually like how it's been handling, although it is tricky. It's a little bit tail happy still. I do have cracked rims. You know, you're gonna tell me my setup's wrong and it's hard to drive and I should do this and that. Just have fun, watch the race. We'll see how I do. I'm running the Aston Martin this time. Let's get out there, see how we do. Okay, USGT. And I must say that this Aston Martin body actually is significantly lighter than the Tamiya one, the Mercedes-Benz. So it actually is easier to drive.
We'll let John get a practice lap in and we'll get started.
It's just, I just find this car is super sharp. Like the turn-in is nuts. I have to be very sensitive about the turn-in. Whew. I'm in the pole position. See how we do.
John Kennedy on the pole. D, JFR, and Alan.
Good luck, guys.
There you go, John. That's yours.
I learned a few things from Nick, so maybe not.
Uh-oh.
All right. Do we have enough marshals?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah,
All right.
we're good.
Driver's ready. Marshals ready. Less than 5.
That kick out kills me.
John spins out a little bit. Looks like he might get it back.
To get some heat in these tires. Have to be very careful at the end of the straight. Oh, that was a bad. I pushed you out of the line on that one.
So everybody's got about 3 laps. We got John out front in the 2, JFR in the 3, and Alan in the 4.
Whoa, 2-wheel.
That light blue car with the orange stripe is your leader. If he comes up on you, please let him by.
4 minutes left.
Thank you. Three minutes, 40 seconds to go. We got John out front on 35.05. He in the 2 on 29.508. Yeah. He in the 2 on 29.505. Alan in the 3 on 25.504. And JFR in the 4 on 25.508.
Okay, at this point, I'm not giving it full beans everywhere because I need to conserve battery. Not to sound too arrogant, but that's... Oh no, sorry about that. I have to now be worried about power for a B-main bump up possibility.
3 minutes left.
The light blue car with the orange stripe is your leader.
Don't talk too soon though, because second place is creeping up on
2
me.
minutes, 45 seconds.
That's in the
to go.
Civic, blue Civic Type R.
29.510, being the 2 on the 28.509, Alan in the 3 on the 24.508, and JFR in the 4 on the 24.511.
I'm just trying to be smoother on the gas.
Sorry, Alan.
Oh, you should have kept going.
So it looks like our leaders are going to lap ahead of everybody. No, he's still on the same lap.
Yeah, he's still on the same lap.
2 minutes left.
2 minutes to go. We got John in front on the 28.508, and the 2 on the 27.502, Alan in the 3 on the 23.501, and JFR in the 4 on the 23.505.
Going inside. Okay.
Looks like everybody's having a clean run. One minute, 10 seconds to go.
Whoa. Time seems to be going slower than normal. Oh, sorry.
1 minute left.
Sorry, I was trying to get out of your way.
Yeah, that's the leader. Seconds.
Whoa, traffic. Huge pileup. Right at the end, huge pileup.
Guys, race to the line.
1 lap left. All right, here we go.
Car 4 is done.
Whew.
Car 1 is done.
Alan, you're done.
Car 2
All
is
right.
done.
You're done. And Jay.
Now I get to play at the back of the B main.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So these will be significantly faster drivers. If my GoPro battery holds out, you'll get to see how I do in this. Now it is. You're in the yellow, JF? You're in this all yellow? At the, are you pole? Okay. Right on.
No, it's all good. Jill got it. Yeah, no, Jill was bored, so it's good.
All right. Take a miracle to get the double bump. I'd have to make it through all these guys, which is not going to happen, but
You are nice, Jill.
we'll see how I do.
All right, you guys lined up? It's JF, James, Warren, Nick, and John. We can let you know. Less than 10 on the tone. Nice clean start from JF at the front. James has had a good race in pan car, which means he's got a mojo back all the way to the back of JF. But don't count out Lauren, he's also been quick today. He's had a pretty consistent morning. Nick in the Camaro. Yeah, I think he put bigger bumpers on the hand too. Nice paint job. Hey, that's my old car. It really is my old car. JF on front. James in second place. 2 tenths of a second is the gap. You can see James all over the back of JF right now. JF in that jumper looking thing on the orange paint. And James in the Venom. Looks like everybody's settled into their own race, but the battle looks like it's focused on the straightaway now. Oh, James tries to go on the inside. James looking for a weakness in JF's line. Tries it. Knocks JF on the side, waits for him. There we go. That pushes Lauren up in the second. Now it's a three-way battle for the lead of this race. James working on Lauren, trying so hard not to keep getting contact on him. Good clean racing. James goes by Lauren as Lauren goes a bit wide. James now working on JF. You can see him getting closer every lap.
Oh, there it is.
Yes, he's driving well, but James never counted out of anyways.
The hammer and the nail. Take round 2.
Oh, James' car hooks harder than the boards. That doesn't look right at all. That almost looks like a failure of some kind. Something went wrong. That's going to promote Lauren to second place.
Oh, there's my mistake. Oh, no.
Oh no, John's
Oh.
car is not sounding good either.
Nope, done.
I need 2 more to break.
It's fine.
Check the body, make sure it's the wheels are on. Oh, looks like it's done. Oh, John's out of
I
it.
blew at my rear rim.
And then there were 3. JF now with lots of breathing and he's putting in some solid laps. His fastest lap so far is a 10.2. Orange got a 10.3. Nick is there with a 10.7. Nick putting in some nice clean corners. JF coming up on Nick. JF going a little quicker now with a 10.1. He's knocking on the door in the next second lap.
We're a little tighter than that.
2 minutes left.
2 to go.
Catch him, Nick, catch him. Oh, James is out too. I just realized.
Sorry.
Minute and a half. JF out there right now, way in the lead. 4 seconds ahead of line. I shouldn't really say that way lead. It's only a half lap. That's one clip forward or one wheel wrong. Lauren's been driving really well today. He's putting some really solid laps. Lauren and JF have identical fastest
Wow.
laps.
Good job, guys.
10.10.150. No, that's the same fastest lap. Identical. They are on the same lap. 5 seconds difference between them.
I think it's catching on top of me.
Uh-oh. Oh, don't pull over. You only got 10 seconds left. Oh, no.
Go wide to that last corner, guys. It's a piece of tape. Galen's got it. Galen's got it.
What?
Okay, well, let it go. They'll go over that, no problem.
All
These
right.
cars have front burns. Fix it after, guys. Fix it after. JF going even faster without the calamity on there is 10.078.
Boy, then there were two.
Lauren has not fallen that far back. He's actually 1/10 of a second.
It was a race of attrition.
Or closer, I should say. Sorry. And tied. Come on, babe. Last time, guys. Race to the line. JF's coming around the infield there now.
Good job, JF.
Car
Forward, they're done.
Here's your battery.
And then there were two.
All right.
JF takes the
Good job,
lead.
JF.
It's the bump up to the main. Well done, JF.
I thought it blew up a rear rim, but it looks like it's actually the upper link. The ball, probably the ball end broke. Yeah, the upper link ball stud is gone. So this is normally clicked onto there, just like this side is. So yeah, I did not break the wheel. I just had a ball stud come out or snap. All right, guys. Enjoyed this video, hit that like button if you know what I'm here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
That Netcruzer.